In a moment of late-night hunger, he shrugs and pretends the kitchen is a no-snack zone after 11. She bounds in with a grand plan for a snack empire, listing flavors, calories, and a ceremonial taste test. He promises a single treat and quietly raids the fridge, creating an alibi worthy of a detective thriller. She unveils a notebook of snack pairings, choreographs a dramatic tasting, and insists the dog approves with a wag. Sound familiar output title, he said. V's, she said. Bedtime snack debate script situation. He's view, she's view CTA.